Alright y'all, so as y'all can see from the ruckus going on in here, the front bumper is off of the car. I am taking the side markers off. You already know by the thumbnail and the title of this video that I am installing the wide body kit from Vicrez, y'all. Yep, I did it. You know, it's only right, you know, like the pokage, you gotta cover it up, you know what I'm saying, pause. But anyways, it is underway. Y'all seen us take this off before, so I didn't want to bore y'all with that. So, but right now I am taking off the side skirts. And like I said, the kit is from Vicrez. I ordered the whole kit, the front bumper, the back bumper. Now I know some of y'all may say, oh, you
find the kits from Vicrez.
Oh, yeah, Siri gonna be talking to you. Oh, you could have just did this and you could have did this and could have. I felt like the bumpers needed to be replaced anyway. I am selling these bumpers. If you want them, hit me up. But yeah, so the back one is coming off as well. We ain't started on that. I'm gonna show y'all how to take that off because I haven't showed y'all that before. So the back one is coming off. And yeah, the back one is sitting right up there. There's the front bumper right there. So yeah. Alright y'all, so these side skirts come off kind of forcefully. This part comes out pretty easily, but this part you really gotta like pull. And I'm so glad that Vicrez give you extra brackets for this part because they just break. I can't take that side off because the jack is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side all the way up to the front. And yeah, I gotta take these rivets out of here. Alright, so here's the new side skirt I wanted to show y'all. These are the little pieces that you see right here. Basically what you do is it just, see how it pops out like that. Hopefully I didn't break it. Nope, I didn't break it. Alright, so this part just slides in like this and it'll snap for you. Come on, thing. I just did it. Just snaps into place. Alright y'all, so you gotta take these screws out right here. There's one in here holding the speaker, and then there's one in here holding this piece up there like that. Up there like that. So now we're gonna take these rivets out. Hold on, y'all can't see that. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to take these rivets out. Look like it's just one. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's that little piece. Oh yeah, I gotta take this out too. And then we should be able to pull this back and get this off. Take the tail lights out. Alright, so those rivets were a pain to get out. But I'm getting ready to unscrew these. I believe this is a 8 or a 7. So most of the sockets are either an 8, 7, or a 10. But I believe this is an 8. So I'm getting ready to unscrew these. As you can see, I'm popping this light out. Pow! You seen it? And so, yeah, here we go. The rear bumper is really easy to get off, so I'm grateful for that because the front one is a doozy. Man, y'all see your girl putting in work. You know what I'm saying? I know how to work on a car. Just a little bit. Alright, so right here I am just wiggling it out. But I learned that if you pull out one side that's closer to the opening of the trunk, the other side will just kind of slide. Yeah, see? It's real easy. Alright, so I literally repeated the same thing on the other side. So this one I had a little more trouble getting out, but it'll come out eventually. So this screw right here is a 10mm. Tell me I ain't no handy woman girl. Come on now. I got that thing up. Wow, man, I thought it was gonna come out. Alright, so this screw right here is a 7mm. Now y'all see how everything is working fine over here. In the next clip, I'm gonna have a hard time. Don't see all that dust coming off that thing?
That's all the dirt, though. I don't know why they making cars like that, because that's where it goes, down in that hole.
Alright, Mom. You alright?
You right, this side, push, just push through. Yeah. Keep that straight on that screw though. There you go. You're going the wrong way, man.
Yeah, I didn't move it.
Oh, man.
Straight on there.
Yeah, they stay taking it because it's staying there a little tight. That's all. You hit it again. Do it again. 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 You use it like that, right? For your thing.
I took a red that time, didn't you? Good God.
I want me another one like that. More power. Good stuff like that. 'Cause I usually take the hand thing and then use that.
Okay, so this part is a little hard to explain, but there's two black pieces sandwiching your bumper. So you're gonna take the bottom part and push it down really hard. As you can see in a few minutes, I'll take a flathead screwdriver and push it down while my dad pulls on the bumper. So once you do that, it'll just pop right open like you'll see here in a few minutes. In the corner.
Yeah, all this black right here, connected to the red, push that down here and come out. All you do is squeeze up. Push down. Don't push the red, just push that black.
I pushed it. Okay, the screws I'm showing y'all are 10s, the one with the red, and then the black ones are either 7s or 8s. So once you unscrew all of that and you do everything previous, you can take the bumper right off like I'm doing right now.